we're not going to do it yet. Grandma's got to get a white paint on. And I got to put my microphone on. So everybody can hear us. Okay, microphone's on. I'm going to put my gloves on. You guys got your gloves on?
Mm-hmm. Can I go with the microphone?
I need you to back up right against this cabinet until Grandma gets the white paint on. Back up. Back up. We're going to put some more green in yours because it's low. No, that's the only glitter I have.
Oh,
but it's enough.
More. You should get more of them.
Just going to give Trenton a little bit more paint in his container.
You use that to make more paint?
Yeah. Special paint. It's called pour paint.
It looks like milk.
Kinda does, doesn't
Can I
it?
see inside? It smells a little good.
Okay. So now you have more green. This one's got very little in it, and I don't have any dark green to make for you.
It's fine. I don't really need it.
What about this green?
Sharpie?
It's a little bit darker. It'll still look nice with your colors. You want to do that?
I'm very good at Sharpie. I don't even get on my hand. Can I use the Sharpie?
You want to do the blue
Can I use the Sharpie, Grandma?
and not this dark green? No. Okay. We're not right now. Grandma's going to do the canvases.
The line's holding it right here.
Okay, you got to back up because the white paint is a little bit messy.
Ooh, I want to see.
And I'll show you. Okay, can you put the Sharpie back and move your box, please, Tasia? Don't touch anything yet.
What is the paint? What is the white paint for?
The white paint is the base of the fluid art.
What's the fluid
I'll show you. You see all the paintings on the wall that Grandma does? That's a fluid art. All kinds of different fluid arts.
Actually, you could do it. I want one.
Who can do it? What do you mean? You're going to be doing the painting. We're going to have it on video.
I just don't want to see the title.
You don't want to see the title. Why?
Yeah, I don't want to see the Father's Day thing.
Come on, Tasia.
Well, no blowing up a balloon.
I'm so excited to do this with you guys.
Has anybody else done it?
No, you guys are the first ones to do it with me.
Mary.
Of course. All the other kids are going to want to do it.
What is your YouTube channel called?
It's called Sandra's Sensations.
I will subscribe.
I hope so.
Trenton thought it was called Father's Day.
No.
Well,
I never said anything.
Okay. So now we're going to start being serious. Okay? Grandma's going to do one thing, and this is called a torch. Tasia, are you watching? So you know how to do this for another time. I'm getting the bubbles out, so I'm using this heat torch to get the bubbles out.
can I see what it does? Is it fire?
You can look at it. It's fire. It's very, very hot, and it's not something that kids can do by themselves unsupervised. Only grandmas and parents can do it. See, there's a torch there. Okay, gloves back on. We're getting ready to paint. Here. Here, Tasia. Quick. Come here. You don't want to do the painting?
I do, but I just don't want to be on video doing it.
It's okay. Come on. You'll thank Grandma later for it.
Well, we get half of the money.
Come on, Grandma's running out of video time too.
You should just do it.
Okay, can you put the balloon down now and put your gloves on, please?
Mm-mm.
You'll thank Grandma later for it. Come on, put your thumb in.
First, can I pick out my magnets I want to get?
As soon as you do this painting, you can absolutely pick one out.
I don't use this for my play toys. I'm just going to do it right now.
Okay, let's stand here.
Where's magnet?
Stand beside Grandma. Tasia, stand beside Grandma for 1 minute and repeat after me. This is our Father's Day video for our wonderful daddy.
For our wonderful daddy.
We love him very much.
We love him very much.
Bend down and wave. Hi.
Bye.
There we go. Okay. Perfect. Okay. So, Tasia, first color, pink. You're going to hold that bottle and you're going to dump some in the middle of the canvas there, right there. Perfect. You follow me. So you pick your first color, dump a puddle, like that size, in the middle of your canvas. Okay. Then we're going to do purple, dump it in the middle, where your pink is, put it in the same spot. Perfect.
Pretty.
Very pretty. And then you're going to dump it in the middle, same spot. Excellent. That's lots of purple.
Can I do it by myself? Open this by myself.
Sure. We'll find it after, Trenton. Just stand it to the side. There you go. Awesome. Where's the lid? Whoops.
It's okay, right?
It's totally okay. Okay. So now we're not going to touch anything, right? That is wet white paint right there. This balloon, you're going to hold it over top and you're going to push down. Okay?
You do it.
You want Grandma to do it? Here, you help me. Hold my hands. 1, 2, 3.
Oh!
Let's roll over it a little bit this way. 1, 2, 3.
Oh!
We'll do another one. 1, 2, 3. You want to do some over here? Okay. How about here? Okay. Let's put that in here. Now, isn't that cool? Now, Grandma's going to do a little torch. Remember, that's hot, right? How are you doing, Trenton?
Good. That looks like a bird, right?
It looks really cool, doesn't it?
It looks like a bird, a fish bird.
Look at how quick that was to do.
It looks like a fish does a bird.
Yeah. That's,
call it
you know
a fish
what?
Bird.
That's called a balloon smash.
I want that painting. I'm going to call it a fish bird.
Cool. You think Daddy's going to like that?
Uh-huh.
Okay, let's bring you back here. You'll stand right in front of your painting for a second.
Okay.
I'm going to help Trenton. Where are these lids from? Do you know? This one goes here.
Yeah, but that
this
one
go here.
And the other one is on somewhere.
Okay. Let's move you just a little bit more into the camera range so people can see what you're doing. Yes, hon.
This one lost its lid.
That's okay. We'll find it. Let's back up for a second because Trenton's going to do a balloon smash. Now, you got to do it hard but gentle. Do you know what I mean? You don't want the canvas flying.
Like that?
Yep, straight up and down. Balloon smash. Perfect. And go off to the side. Then the other side. Wherever you want it. And then put it in there.
Grandma, glitter.
Oh, that's good. Put it in there. Oh,
That looks like
look
a
at
big
how awesome
flower.
that is.
It just looks like a humongous flower.
Okay,
It
so
looks
Grandma's,
like a humongous
Grandma's just
bird.
going to move.
Mine is a small, a little.
You want me to move the paint over a little bit on there?
No.
No, leave it there? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Can you put my glitter on there?
Yes, we sure can.
Smidge.
Okay, remember this is glass, so Grandma's going to do it, okay? Let me grab one of my sticks.
Ooh, can I do it? Can I put the glitter on?
You can sprinkle it on, just don't touch the paint, okay? Sprinkle it a sprinkle.
I want to keep this popsicle.
Okay,
stick.
over here. Over here, over here, over here.
I want to
Way
do
over
mine.
here.
Ah.
One more scoop over here.
Oh, yeah.
There we go. Okay, we got
I
to
keep the popsicle stick with the glitter on it.
just don't put it in your mouth, okay?
Okay.
Or
my
on your
turn.
fingers.
I'm putting it
I
right
want to do
here.
this.
Okay.
Oh, well,
You know what? Your painting is done. You can take your gloves off and put it in the garbage
no, I
now.
want to do the other glitter.
Oh, the other one? Okay, hold on. Trenton's going to do his first. You know what Grandma wants to do? Hang on to that. I want to torch yours. I didn't torch yours yet. Taser, can you stop for a minute? I got to torch it. I don't know what the glitter's going to do if I torch your painting, so.
Probably stay.
Look at how cool that looks, Trenton.
We're going to
Okay.
probably have to tell Daddy to close his eyes when he sees it. Right?
You think so?
Yeah.
Okay, so you want to do a little bit of this glitter too, right?
Mm-hmm.
Can I have your stick?
A glitter stick.
Okay, now promise Grandma you do not touch the paint anywhere.
Okay.
Okay, here you go.
do it this. Okay.
Sprinkle it around, round, round.
You do it this time.
You want me to do it this time? Okay.
I can't wait for Daddy to. I'm just don't tell Daddy first that we aren't ready with it.
Don't tell him. It's a secret.
Okay. I want
Oh yeah, you want to do some of this too?
some blue in it.
Got it? Make sure you get the outside edges too.
I'm not picking two magnets.
You want to pick a magnet? Okay.
Okay, I'm good.
So we are done our video. Do you want to say goodbye to everybody?
Goodbye.
Thanks for joining us, everybody. We had so much fun. Can you say thank you, Grandma? You're the best.
Thank you, Grandma. You're the best.
Tasia, I don't think anybody heard you.
Thank you, Grandma. You're the best.
Awesome. Alrighty. Was that fun? Did Grandma just get white paint all over her neck?
Yes.